Inendurso pa rin ng UBJP sa ginanap na party convention na mananatili sa posisyon si Chief Minister Ahud Balawag Ibrahim. Ito ang kumpirmasyon mula kay Engineer Muhajirin Ali, ang tagapagsalita at information officer ng UBJP. Pero dagdag ng opisyal, sa ilalim ng parliamentary form of government, maaring mapalitan ang Chief Minister o kahit ang Speaker. Narito ang buod ng pahayag ni Engineer Ali.
Klaro naman po na doon sa takbo ng event, umabot tayo ng 6 o'clock, na si Chief Minister Ahud Balawag pa rin ang magiging Chief Minister po natin after the election next year. But itong mga bagay na ito kasi it's purely very internal to the UBJP and the MILF itself, no? Again, ulitin ko, ang parliamentary system, they can change anytime na gusto nilang mag-change ng chief minister. Kung sa tingin nila na kailangan pong gawin yon. Even the speaker, because it's the party decisions. Kaya nga, whoever is the majority, right, is the government of the day. Because they were the one who will elect the speaker and they will also elect the chief minister. Tama po ba? Right. So, immaterial pong pag-usapan yan kasi very internal po sa MILF. Kasi kung ang decision ng MILF ay si ganito ang maging chief minister, nasa kanila po. But for now, no, nandyan ho si chief minister mo, wala hong dahilan kung bakit kailangan palitan siya, especially on the organization from the MILF side.